はい。行きます。No bear, please.
Yeah, we need to make noise so the bears don't like us. Because we don't have a bear belt.
Yeah.
So we're the bear belt. Roar.
Raw? Ah.
What are you doing?
I'm tying my shoe
Sunday?
to prepare for running away from bears.
You never tie your shoes.
Or fight against bears.
何ですか?
Once we get 1,000 subscribers,
Uh-huh.
I wanna buy hiking shoes and one pants, long pants. お願いします。
I have hiking shoes.
You have it. いいね。私はNo. Huh?
I really like it here.
Huh?
I really like it here.
You really like it here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have so much time. It's 9 a.m. right now. So,
I want to live here.
you wanna live here? Yeah, it's beautiful, ne? Without sun. Yeah? It was just 10 minutes walk from the parking. What do you rate this place so far?
9.5.
Out of 10?
Yeah, because
Wow.
the minus 0.5 is because I can't get in the water.
Can't go closer.
Yeah.
That's the reason. But beautiful. Let's go next one.
Hi. I feel like there's a gazebo like every 5 minutes, so definitely if you're someone who struggles to hike, I think this is doable because you can stop like every 5 minutes.
Hi. Wow! The view from the other side. Oh, ちょっとシェイキング。
They're shaking. Yada. I want to swim in it.
Yeah?
That's what I want to do. Set it free. So this guy.
もみじまん。Oh, nice one. Big and nice color. Show me. うん、いいね。
That looks so nice.
Bye. .有名なレストランなんですけど、食べない人は入れないので、でも写真とかインスタグラムで見るよりは青くないですね、水が。日によるのかもしれません。でもこっちサイド This side looks so blue.
There's nothing. The water around the restaurant wasn't quite the color we were hoping for, and we think it has to do with the timing, because behind it the water was like a very vibrant blue. So we're trying to figure out where to go to see the water. Where are we going?
There were bears. Yeah, we came higher up on the mountain. So recently there are a lot of bears.
Bear attacks in Japan, yeah.
In the village. So I'm afraid. So
look at Tetsu's weapon. I said pick a weapon.
because you can do like
so okay.
so quiet.
Let's try.
Good.
Hi, okay, I have like a baseball bat.
Yeah. Yours like a okay, let's go.
He looks like a dog with carrying a stick that's too big for him.
Why do you go down?
Look on that. Ew! Oh, I'm so glad I was wearing these shoes.
あるね、いいね。行くか。ちょっとでも怖い。クマ。It's blocked. So we can't go in. でも it looks good, so we keep trying to find a way to go. Should I bring this in the bag?
No.
No? It's a good vessel.
I know you like it. Oh, rejected.
No, I gave it to someone else. Let's jump. Yeah? Say no! Ah,来たやばい そばとドライカレー。
What a nice egg.
うん、いいね。どうぞ。美味しい？いいね。